Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can start earning from home by reselling products on Meesho using digital marketing strategies. Whether you're a housewife, student, or fashion enthusiast, anyone can get started. Let's dive right in. First off, Meesho is perfect for anyone who wants to earn extra income from home. Whether you're a housewife, student, or simply someone passionate about fashion, Meesho makes it easy to get started as a reseller. It requires zero investment and anyone with a smartphone can begin today. I've been reselling on Meesho for a while now and have even received the Best Reseller certificate for my Instagram page, AsliFashion Hyderabad. I've grown my network, built trust with my customers, and now I'll share how digital marketing helped me along the way. One of the most effective ways to start reselling is by using WhatsApp. I created a WhatsApp group with my friends, family, and potential customers. I share Meesho's best-selling products directly with them. It's simple, direct, and helps me keep my audience engaged. If you're new to this, here's a tip. Curate your product list based on the interests of your group members. By focusing on their needs, you can drive more sales. Setting up a WhatsApp group is super easy. Just open the app, click New Group, add contacts, and give the group a name like Exclusive Fashion Deals or something catchy. Once your group is ready, browse through Meesho's products and share links of trending or high-quality products that you think your group will love. It's a quick and efficient way to build a customer base. Telegram groups can be a powerful tool for reselling Meesho products by creating a community where you can share product links, deals, and exclusive offers directly with your audience. The platform allows for large groups, so you can reach more potential customers at once. And features like pinned messages and scheduled posts help keep your audience informed and engaged with the latest products. While WhatsApp is a great start, don't forget about social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can help you reach a wider audience. For example, I use Instagram stories to highlight new products and promotions. You can also post on Facebook groups or create Pinterest boards to attract more customers. Social media not only builds visibility, but also allows you to showcase your products creatively. The more you post, the more commissions you can earn. One of the best parts about being a Meesho reseller is that you don't need to worry about pricing. The product packaging doesn't include any price information, so you can set your own margins when sharing products with customers. Plus, Meesho handles returns, making the entire process smooth and hassle-free for both you and your customers. Here's a quick tip. Before you start reselling, try ordering a few products for yourself. This will help you get familiar with Meesho's quality and give you confidence when recommending these items to others. Customers will trust your suggestions more when they see you've personally used the products. Apart from reselling, Meesho also has various affiliate programs. These allow you to earn commissions by promoting Meesho products on social media or through your website. I've included links to some of these affiliate programs in the description below, so you can explore them and see how you can further boost your income. And that's it. I hope you found these tips useful and feel inspired to start your journey as a Meesho reseller. It's a fantastic way to earn extra income with very little effort. I wish all aspiring resellers and affiliate marketers the very best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on digital marketing and online business.